And that is some cool timing, man. I've been coming down to the old Montreal since I was a kid. I never seen no high rail truck here, ever. That's pretty cool. That's about almost as cool as seeing a freight go through here. On a perfect day of all times. But that's really something. I'm not flabbergasted, but very surprised. Wow, that's CN is working hard on these lines today. First I get that high rail truck in Old Montreal, which I've never seen, and now here in Saint Henri. But that goes to show you that. Oh, I hear the VIA coming, I think. It goes to show you though that the safety of the tracks, especially in the city, is more important than anywhere else. I mean, the slightest bend could just be a disaster. Oh, look what I just caught here. Check that out. Me was waiting for a CP train to come out of the yard. Sweet. God damn, it's windy today. It's so windy.
I'll start the scanner up. Although the maintenance of way, I don't know, would be triggering signals. So this isn't even CN, it's...
Yeah,
Vérification de la conformité government truck.
Wow, really?
I've seen that before.
Yeah, that's weird.
Transport Canada.
Look at that. It's a Government of Canada safety vehicle. That's a first. That's some weird timing. We just got here in Sept. That's strange. Maybe we'll see that RDC Bud car then.
That would be cool.
Not impossible. Almost missed him.
Door valve at 11 a.m.
No, really?
Yeah, so he's gone. Long gone.
Gone, baby, gone. Look at this guy. He's on track. Boy, you don't want to derail that son of a bitch. I love how they have these huge wheels today. Eh?
Yeah.
Remember when I made that video of all these high rail trucks and all that? Very, that got a lot of positive hits, man.
I'm gonna do the same thing with the big international too.
Oh, it's amazing. I love it. Yeah, but you're right. When I got a truck out like that, that's major, man. That's major repairs. Siren.
In the hospital, it's expected.
That's right. Oh, look at that. I never even noticed that because I'm zoomed in. It raises up like that.
Yeah.
Or is that a cop, actually? Could have been police.
Sorry, cop.
I'm going to get in the shot now. No? Something's burning. Smell that?
Not clearly.
No, no, no. Something's burning. Very nice. These are the guys, man. They're the glue at the railroads to keep them rails healthy so that trains can operate safely and not crash and kill everybody. You know, nevertheless about destroyed merchandise. Look, here's another one. Holy cow.
We are near a yard, so we expect it.
Well, this is great. I could do my compilation of high rail vehicles sooner now.
Truck performing brake test. Brake test complete.
That's great timing, man. It's not too bright, not too dark. Wow, that's something, man. That's awesome. Ben, did you catch a make of that tractor? Yeah, all here in the South Shore. It's really funny to see this today, because I was thinking about all those clips I filmed over the last few months of these high rail pickups, but not really any of the heavier stuff. It's usually just this Ford F550 type fare, you know. Guess these guys are subcontracted out, I guess.